Welcome to WebStar Designs, a web design company that specializes in creating dynamic websites and landing pages.
Website maintenance is an important part of website design, as it ensures that the website remains functional and optimized for users. Regular website maintenance can help to prevent downtime, reduce the risk of security breaches, and ensure that the website is optimized for search engines and user experience. Overall, website maintenance is an essential aspect of website design and development, as it ensures that the website remains secure, functional, and optimized for users. By regularly maintaining their website, businesses can improve their online presence, build trust with their audience, and achieve their business goals. Contact WebStar Designs at gmail.com for a free consultation today. Let's go global on Guerrilla Mode.
WebStar Designs, we believe in small business full-service support. Contact us today at webstardesignskc@gmail.com for your free 30-minute consultation.